Hey Python learners, ready for quick brain teaser? Let's start. How well you understand the basics with three fun quizzes. Okay, stick around till the end. There is a special one just for you to comment. Okay, let's start with something that looks simple but can confuse even experienced devs. What will be the uh, output of this course? Let's reveal this first one. Okay, so the first image is the first quiz question is this one. Okay, first of all, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, uh, z equal to x plus pi. Okay, and x equal to z plus pi, print of x. So let's please pause the video and stay let's assume your answer and then start watching the video. Okay, so here let's start with the solution for this quiz. Okay, first of all, first one, I am going to take this question. For this, I am going to use VS Code. In this VS Code, I am going to write the code x equal to what they have given, x equal to 1. Okay, next, y equal to 2. Okay, next, z equal to x plus y. Okay, they had also given spaces. Okay, let's give space. Now, he also mentioned that the pic shows that x equal to z plus y. Okay, now what it is asking, the question is print of x. Okay, what will be the value of x? It is asking, right? So x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to x plus y, and x equal to z plus y. Now, first understand this piece. First, x equal to 1, but here you have to remember that it is a string. Okay, it is a string, and then 2 is also a string. Whatever you are going to mention in these symbols, okay, there tends to be strings. Okay, if you don't give these inputs or these numbers in these quotations, then it will treat as an integer. Okay, so whatever you are going to give here within the course is considered as a string. So what is string? String is nothing but an character or text, like small a to z or capital A to z. Whatever you are going to give, that will be treated as a strings. Okay, next. So since both x and y are strings, the plus operator performs string concatenation, not addition. So if you give 1 and 2 as normal numbers, then it will do addition. But here we are mentioned that as a string, right? So it will do concatenation. So what is concatenation here? Concatenate is nothing but it won't add the numbers. Just if you write here 1 and if here we have given 2, so it will just combine the both strings side by side. Okay, it will not add 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. Okay, just it will keep like a 12 1 2. 12. Like that it will place. Concat is nothing but placing side by side. Okay. In general words, I'm telling. Okay. So and here 1 plus 1 and 2 represent as 1 2. Okay. And so here first of all z equal to 1 1 and plus 2 equal to 1 2 only, not 1 plus 3 1 plus 2, and that doesn't mean that it is 3. Okay, it's z equal to 1 2. Okay, let's write here. Sorry, 1 2. This is the output for z. And what is the output for this one is z plus 5. Z is 1 2. Just output is 1 2 and y output is 2. So here output is 1 2 2. So let's run the program. What it will give? Print of x. Now we are not printing z. Okay, we are printing directly x. Okay, so here the answer will be 1 2 2. Okay, instead of x, if you print z, let's see what it will give. It will give 1 2 only. Okay, see here 1 2. Okay, so the answer is 1 2 2. Final answer is 1 2 2. So let's give us me running notes for this one. Okay, so today's our topic is Python quiz, right? Yes. So the problem one is here, this one. Okay, now let's explain each one step by step. Then you were able to understand what what it is. So here x is a string. String containing what it contains? One value, right? Containing the character. One. Okay. Now y also same. Y is also a, see here. Y is a string containing the character. What character it contains? It contains is the 1 2, right? 2. Okay. Now so here z equal to x plus 5. Since both x and y are strings, the plus operator here, it has mentioned plus, right? So the plus operator or here also the plus. Okay, plus operator. These kind of symbols will called as here operators. Okay, plus operator performs string concatenation. Okay, what is concatenation? Placing side by side. Instead of here, one was placed beside the two, right? Like that. Okay, concatenation. Okay, it's not a addition. Okay, next. So here, so z equal to how much value? Z equal to 1, 2. Next, the final step. So z equal to 1, 2, right? Z equal to 1, 2 and y equal to 2. Here 1, 2 also we have to mention in column. Okay. Next, here this is the very basic class only. Okay. 1, 2, but who are new to Python, they have to understand, right? That's why I'm noting everything. Okay. 1, 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 results in 1, 2, 2. Okay. Next. So x equal to 1, 2, 2. Okay. So x equal to 1, 2, 2. System. So this prints what it will print. This prints the value of x, which is 122. Okay. This is the answer for this quiz. Okay. And the next question will be, what is the operator used to check if two values are not equal in Python? So first of all, these are the symbols, operator symbols it has given. So here, he is asking is what is the symbol for what is the operator used to check if two values are not equal? What is the symbol for not equal? He directly he is asking like that. So here, in order to understand this, we need some explanation. So here I am going to give the term. First of all, we need to know about what is an operator. Okay, what is an operator? Wait for a second. Our first question is, what is an operator in Python? So what is an operator? Here I am going to specify. An operator is a symbol that tells the Python to perform a specific operation. So, if you give plus symbol, it will do addition. If you give minus symbol, it will do subtraction. And it will give, if you give not equal to, whether it will compare the both values, whether they are equal or not equal, like that. So here, what is an operator? An operator is a symbol that tells Python to perform a specific operation. A specific operation. Like an operator is a symbol that tells a Python to perform a specific operation. Like, see here, different kinds of operator I am going to mention here. First one is arithmetic. We are having different kinds of operators. So in that, the first one is arithmetic. So what are the arithmetic operators we are having is, uh, here I am going to mention that. First of all, arithmetic operations are called as used to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are called as arithmetic operators. So first one, plus. This is the addition, and minus, subtraction. Uh, for multiplication, we used to use this symbol, and then divided by we used to use, sorry, this symbol. Okay, these are the symbols which we are going to use for arithmetic. And then now comparison operators. So what are the comparison operators we are having is, so it's better to give some space between these and this. Comparison operators used to compare both values, whether they are equal or not equal, like that. Okay, so we are having different kinds of comparison operators. I used to mention them here. Equal to and not equal to. For not equal to, we used to use like this, and less than, comma, greater than, etc. Okay, we are having different types. Okay, not equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, and equal, and some of them are available. Okay, now we are having one more operators mainly that is called as an logical operators. So these the examples are the symbols which are used for these logical operators are and are not. So these are used for logical operations like multiplication between the numbers, like and also R means these are the separate topic. I will tell you about these because if I tell everything now, it won't understand. But this just keep try to understand or just remember these logical operators. Okay, and are not. Okay, so here our main intention is to comparison operators. No, we want to know about comparison operator. Why? Because here what he had given in this pic, what he has given, just compare this with these values. So not equal to, it is mentioned here, and equal to also here, and less than also is less than, greater than are also mentioned here. So these all are concentrated in what comparison operators, but all are not correct ones. Okay, we need to pick the correct ones only. Okay, that is the question here, right? So what are the comparison operators? What are comparison operators? First of all, these are easy to compare two values. The result is always either true or false. These are used to compare two values. The result is always either true or false. Okay, so here different kinds of comparison operators we are having is here I had already specified. Uh, uh, this is one. This is the equal to operator. Uh, So for suppose whether it will give just give, I will give you a small brief idea by writing this. Just for suppose here I am going to write here. So this called as equal to. For suppose when it will use is if 5 equal to 5. Okay. So if it is true, the 5 equal to 5 means 5 is 5, 5 and 5 both are same, right? So if it's true, then the result will be true. Okay, here's the output. Okay, now, and also if it is not equal to, so here uh this means it's not equal to. So not equal to, that means for suppose 5 not equals to 3, right? So it is also true. Because 5 not equal to 3. Now we used to use less than symbol. Stands for less than. For suppose 5 less than 3. Now it's not correct, right? 5 not less than 3. So at the time it will give what? It will give false. Okay. Next, greater than. Okay. For suppose the same value I am taking for a better understanding, 5 greater than 3. Now the statement is correct. So it will give what? True. Okay. Now, so to check if two values are not equal to, we can go for VS Code. In this, I am going to remove all these. So here, see here, x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Skip space here. Y equal to 5. Let's say for a better easy understanding, I am taking the small values. So here print of x not equal to y. Sorry, y. X not equal to y. Then see here. I want to clear this previous output. Then see what it will show. Whether it's true or not. X not equal to y. So it's true only, right? Then so you see here. It is showing true because 3 not equal to 5, right? That's why. Okay. And then for further explanation, then what kind of symbols it has shown? First of all, A. A equal to it is not a valid syntax. He has given wrong syntax. Okay. And B, he has given correct syntax. So B is the answer for this question. And next, uh, he has given some one more wrong syntax, right? So, and it is useful and it is valid in JavaScript, not in Python. Okay. C is not a valid answer. And also D, this was used in older version of Python, not in new versions of Python. So it is not supported in Python 3 and will give a syntax error. So the final answer is B. So here I am going to specify that also in our daily class notes. So A, first what is it given? Equal to and this symbol. So it is not a valid syntax. It is not a valid syntax. And then what kind of symbol he has shown? B is the correct one. Okay. And the C, he has given a C also. So I will try to write that also. So this means that it is also this is used in which language? Used in JavaScript. Okay. Not in Python. Okay. JavaScript. So in JavaScript, this will checks both values. Okay. And type. Okay. But in Python, this is an invalid operator. So, but in Python, uh, it is an invalid operator. Okay. And the next one, what symbol it has been given? The D, less than and greater than, right? Less than, greater than. What it means? So this was used in older version of Python. Okay. This is used in older version of Python. Not the present versions like 3 plus 3.13, 3.12 like that. It is won't use. So it is not supported in Python 3 and it will give a syntax error. So here it will give a syntax error. Okay, it will give a syntax error. So, and the final answer is B. That is not equal to. Not equal to is the answer. Okay. So here, hope you enjoyed this mini Python quiz round. So here I'm going to give the second one more quiz question for you that it is used to you have to comment the answer by yourself in the comment section. Okay, so for that the question here is or the quiz we are going to hear so is this one. So here Python quiz x equal to 8 and y equal to 2 and the x equal to x plus 6 and y equal to y plus 6. What is the value of y? Okay, print of y, whether it will give error or whether it is give 8 or whether it gives y or 6. Okay, so comment your answer to the second quiz and I will shout out the top correct answer in the next video. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.